This is one time I wish we had smell-o-vision, because if you could smell the sweet fragrance coming off of the abundance of flowers from this plant, it's one that you would definitely want to add into your garden. This is Viburnum carlesii, or Korean spice viburnum, and it's an early spring blooming Oklahoma Proven shrub that will do great in your garden. You can see it gets to be about a mature height of 6 feet, and the same about on the spread, a 6-foot spread. It's definitely one that might need a little room, but you want to plant it in partial sun to partial shade. So we've got it here against some other trees, but we're also got full exposure to the south sun here. Now, this plant does prefer acidic soils and some moist soils, but it can be pushed into some of our more higher pH soils as well. And it can tolerate some of those windy locations that we often find in Oklahoma. This plant is pretty low maintenance and drought tolerant once it is established. In addition to these pink buds that open up to a white flower, later on in the season you're going to get red berries that eventually turn black. That'll also add to the fall attraction of this plant. This is a great Oklahoma Proven shrub to add to your garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.